Hey everyone, if your vocal still sounds flat in the mix, the LANDR vocal plugin might fix that fast. The bundle includes VoxTune, VoxDeEss, VoxChain, and VoxReverb, all optimized for vocal mixing. Let's explore the LANDR vocal plugin bundle, starting with VoxTune. With the plugin bypass,
this year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
The song is already in the key of G major. Let's engage the plugin 100%.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
This is so smooth. This is clean. I'll prefer it 50%. Let me leave it 50% as default or less.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
It's tuning really nice and it's CPU friendly. You can add it to all of your tracks. I'm just gonna use my raw vocal to experiment.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face.
You can add vibrato to it, but I will not want to. But let's just experiment.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
Turn it down. You can also add this reverb to it if you want. Maybe you're just writing a song, you're just using it to experiment the way the final output will look like. Though I normally use reverb in Sense, but I love how they added reverb to this. Let's experiment the reverb.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year.
That's all the way up. You could dial down to have the desired level.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
Okay, all along we've been working with the transparent type. Let's switch to the modern type that has a little more robotic sound. Let's hear that.
This year I no one look at your face.
This is extreme. Go back to the transparent type of VoxTune. Shout out to LANDR. This is great. Here is the VoxDeEss bypassed.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
Let's bring it in.
This year I no one look at your face.
You can use any of your presets. Like this is male vocal. I like to start with male S presets.
This year I no one look at your face.
You can play with this, what increase the range or reduce, the way it suits your vocal. For me, I can just stay around here.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look.
I like the clean interface. They don't put so many information in the plugin so that you don't get confused. I like the display mode either by gain reduction or by frequency. I like the auto gain too if you want to.
This year I no one look at your face.
Yeah, the monitor is showing you the frequency affected. Let's go 100%. I can hear it catching the ch and the s, the ch and s, I can hear that.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face. I just.
You can play with the threshold or speed or ratio, whatever suits your vocal. Here's the VoxChain. You can start with any of the presets, but I like to start with default. The A range high pass filter is the low cut. Engage the low cut. The width, the body. VoxChain bypassed.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
Engage.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face.
With compression.
This year I no one look at your face.
Let's bring in saturation then.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face.
Bypassed.
This year I no one look at your face. This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look.
This is really amazing. Normally I don't use reverb in my VoxChain, but because of this blend knob, I can use it in the VoxChain and I'll just blend it in as if I'm doing send and return. You can start with any of the preset, but let me start here.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional. This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
You can increase the pre-delay. Let's say the tempo of the song is about 90 or something. Let's hear.
This year I no one look at your face. I just want be intentional.
This is amazing. You can play with all of the knobs to have your desired result, but this is excellent. Shout out to LANDR. The interface is crazy clean with genre presets and AI assisted settings, so you don't need to be an engineer to get clean vocal chains. In testing, my vocals got clearer, smoother and more controlled. The deesser and the reverb stood out for Afrobeat, pop and R&B vocals especially. If you are an artist or producer who wants polished vocals without stacking waves or fab filter plugins, this is worth it. If you need deep tweaking, you still might prefer the traditional plugin chain, but for fast vocal polish, I'd say yes to LANDR Vocal Plugin Bundle. In any way you find this helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up to help the algorithm rank this video. See you in my next video.